167 years, but do not mistake her fire for destruction. Her flames are guardians of warmth, protecting us through the coldest winters. Together, we are fire and ice, two opposing forces, perfectly balanced in harmony. When danger approaches, she roars, and the earth trembles beneath us. With a single beat of her mighty wings, she lifts me high above the clouds, where we rise together to battle. But such moments are rare. Our bond is deeper than magic, stronger than time itself. A connection forged in trust, courage, and love, lasting through the centuries.